Hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have the ABUS 80 Ti 45 titanium. Another one out of my box of ABUS's. So all works. This one's 6 pins, definitely got security pins in it. Bitting on the key. There we go. So all locked up. Let's get the vise in. Get it the right way up. Get it to focus. There we go. So we're going top of the keyway. And in with a hook. Quite fun to pick this one. So there's one, which gives us a full set. And that was 3. 2, 3 is giving us counter rotation. We lost the full set. Back to 1. There we go. 2's binding. Counter rotation. Lost the full set again. And there's 1. So that's 1, 2, 3's dropped. Counter rotation again. Lost the full set. Back to 1. 2, 3, 4. Counter rotation. Lost the full set again. Back to 1. 2's dropped. Counter rotation. Lost the full set. Back to 1. 1, 2, 3's dropped. Counter rotation. Lost the full set. 1, 2's dropped. And again, and there we go. Opened up. And as you can see, and probably noticed, we only had to pick the first 4 pins. If we look at the key again, you can see 5 and 6 are actually so low we didn't even have to touch them. So, a bit of a shame. Nice lock to pick. Would have been a bit more interesting if those had come into play. But with the security pins, still quite nice. Entertaining lock to pick. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.